Always remember to check DSSSM, doors, seat, steering wheel, seatbelt, mirrors. Doors. Close the door properly to avoid disqualification during the examination. Seat. Adjust the seat to your comfortable position. Steering wheel. Adjust the steering wheel to your comfortable height. Hold the steering wheel firmly to detect your fingerprints. Seatbelt. Buckle up the seatbelt to avoid disqualification from the test. Mirrors. Adjust the mirrors to clearly see the rear and side views. Show thumbs up in the right camera when you are ready. Examination will begin. Start the parking test with reverse gear. Prepare, observe, and check all sides before you begin the parking maneuvers. Release the handbrake. Reverse slowly while checking behind. Cool. RTA Parking Test 3, Garage Parking Test. 3 minutes to complete the maneuver. Position the vehicle towards the left line. The timer will start when you engage the reverse gear. Switch on the right indicator. Prepare, observe, and move towards the garage parking bay. Make sure to check the traffic all around you before reversing. Reverse slowly while checking behind. Check the sighting point before turning the vehicle. Check the left shoulder. Turn the steering wheel 360 degrees towards the right. Move slowly while entering the garage parking bay. Check the sighting point. Turn the steering wheel 360 degrees towards the left. Check the rear line once it matches the door handle. Stop the vehicle. Pull the handbrake. Then shift the gear to neutral for manual or parking for automatic transmission. This will end the Parking Test 4 Garage Parking Test. Exit the parking bay by driving ahead. Switch on the right indicator before moving the vehicle. Prepare, observe, and move while exiting the garage parking bay. Release the handbrake. Drive slowly. When the yellow line matches your shoulder, turn the steering wheel 360 degrees towards the right. Proceed to your next parking test.